Today, I'm introducing a game-changing trading strategy that will blow your mind. Get ready for insane profits in minutes with our secret scalping method. This is the ultimate get-rich-quick strategy that will revolutionize your trading success. But remember, trade responsibly as there are risks involved. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. This strategy can be used on any chart and time frame, but you will have to optimize the indicator before using it. I will be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. Now, let's quickly cross out these indicators so I can explain the settings and the rules of the strategy from the beginning in detail. First of all, let's add our main indicator to the chart. So we'll access the Indicators tab and search for the TMA Overlay indicator. After this, add this one to your chart. As you can see, this indicator is pretty messy on the chart, and we're not going to use almost all of these elements in our strategy. So we will just remove them so we can understand the chart easily. For that, let's access the settings for this indicator and disable all options except for the ones related to 3-line strike. Make sure you leave these 2 options unchecked. So after this is done, we will access the Style section, and under this tab, we will do the same and disable all the options except for the ones related to the 3-line strike. After this, the settings for this indicator will be done. So if you see a 3-line and strong buy signal appear below the candle, it means a buy position can be opened here. Similarly, if we get a sell signal above the candle, that means that it's a signal to sell and you can open a sell position here. Since this indicator generates a lot of signals, as you can see, the percentage of false signals can be high. So it's important to filter them step by step. So for that, we will add another indicator to our strategy. Let's access the indicator settings and search for the SMIO indicator, and then add this one to the chart. If you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. We will modify some setting for this indicator now. So let's access the settings for this indicator. And in the Style section, change the color of the SMI to yellow. This will help distinguish this indicator from the other indicators on the chart. Next, in the Input section, set the indicator time frame to 1 or 2 time frames higher than the chart's time frame. For example, if we're using a 15-minute time frame, we set the indicator time frame to 1 hour. And after this, finally, change the line length to 50. So now if we have a look at our chart when a buy signal is generated, we need to confirm it using the SMIO indicator. To do this, the histogram of the SMIO indicator should be above the 0 level. And similarly, in case of a sell signal, we need to confirm it with the SMLO indicator. So the histogram of the indicator should be below the 0 level, just like it is here. Now the next step in turning this strategy into a profitable one. And for that, we will add our last indicator of the strategy to our chart. So again, we will access the Indicators tab and search for the CMA and add this corrected moving average indicator made by Everjet to the chart. After adding the CMA indicator, we will modify the settings for this indicator also. So let's access the settings for this indicator. And in the Input section of the settings, change the length to 300. Then active the highlighted CMA option. Next, we will go to the Style section and disable the CMA and SMA options. Only the plot background will be enough in our strategy. Also, we will adjust opacity of the background. This will help make the indicator more visible on the chart. So these are going to be all the settings and modifications that we will do before using this strategy in our daily trading. Now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules for entering a trade using this strategy. To ensure the validity of a buy trade, we follow a specific set of criteria. Firstly, we look for a buy signal generated by the TMA Overlay indicator. Once the signal is identified, we proceed with 2 confirmation steps. Firstly, we check that the histogram of the SMI indicator is above 0. So this will be the first confirmation. Secondly, we ensure that the signaled candle is positioned above the CMA indicator, and the indicator should be green in color, providing us with final confirmation. So if all these signals fulfilled, it is considered a confirmed signal, allowing us to enter a buy trade. So I'll open a buy position here at the close of the current candlestick. For setting the stop loss, it is recommended to place it below the most recent swing low. And as for the take profit is concerned, A general guideline is to consider setting it at a level that is 1.5 times greater than the risk associated with the trade. Now let's see if this will be a successful trade, and although it took some time, but after that, the market hit our target. Now let's go through one more buy example. If you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Here we can see we got a buy signal from the TMA indicator. Next, we will confirm this signal by looking at the SMI indicator, and we can see the histogram is above the 0 level here. And for the final confirmation, we can see the price is above the CMA indicator and it is green color. So I'll open a buy position here, set the stop loss at the recent swing low, and the take profit target of 1.5. I hope you have understood the buy trade rules for this strategy. So now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade through this strategy. So to ensure the validity of a sell trade, first of all, we look for a sell signal generated by the TMA indicator. Once the signal is identified, we proceed with 2 confirmation criteria, just like we did in the buy trade. Firstly, we check the histogram of the SMI indicator, and for sell trade, it should be below the 0 level. Secondly, we ensure that the signal candle is positioned below the red-colored CMA indicator, providing us with final confirmation. So if all these signals are fulfilled, it is considered a confirmed signal, allowing us to enter a sell trade. So I'll open a sell position here. The stop loss for sell position will be set above the recent swing high. And for the take profit target, it is advisable to consider setting it at a level that is 1.5 times greater than the risk associated with the trade. If you guys have still not understood a certain aspect of the strategy, don't worry. We will go through one more sell trade example. Here, first of all, we got a sell signal. And after this, only 2 confirmation steps remain. Number 1 is to check if the histogram low is below the 0 level or not. And second is to see if the candle with the signal is below the CMA indicator or not. And also, it should be red in color. So let's open a sell position here following the money management rules and see if this will be a profitable trade or not. Of course, not every trade will be profitable, but still, this strategy looks like a special one. I hope you guys have understood this strategy. This is going to be it for this video. Please consider pressing the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.